Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. Today we are going to learn about some professions and how we pronounce that or how we call them in my Kikuyu language. We're going to go straight ahead to the first profession, and the first one is a sailor. A sailor is called Mwedia. Now, the next profession we are going to learn is a police. A police is called Modigari. The third one is a teacher. A teacher is called Mwarimo. The next one is a doctor. A doctor is called Dagetari. Now, the other one is a reporter. A reporter is called Mutagathi. Now, the next is a photographer. A photographer is called Mohori wa Bisha. Bisha are pictures. Mohori is like the one who takes pictures. Mohori wa Bisha. The next one is a maid or a house girl. Is called Moiretu wa nyoba. The next one is a driver. A driver is called Derefa. The next one is a barber. A barber is called Kenyodhi. The next one is a singer. A singer is called Moini. The next one is an actor. Mudhaki. The next one is a priest. A priest is called pastor.